My apple tree, look at that, it's growing. Yeah, thanks God. My beans, yeah, my beans, it's growing too, but some are missing. That's okay. My peas is growing. Look at that. Some are missing. Look at this. This one is growing a little bit. And over there. Look at that. Thanks God. And my potato. Yeah, it's getting bigger. This one is still growing. And this one too. Look at that. Very dry. The soil is cracked. And another one, potato. Look at this, eh? And there's another two. Look at that. So some of them are not growing yet. Alright, please subscribe my channel, Kiko YouTube TV. Bye bye.